Hello guys, my name is Pravi Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality profile backlink and the forum submission backlink. And this forum submission site is highly related for the digital marketing. So if you are in the same, so this backlink is should be the relevant backlink for you. So the website name is warriorforums.com and this is a website, a dashboard. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 76, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 72, and the spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you will see this website having a 334.7k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, USA, UK, Pakistan, Vietnam, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so first thing you guys will click on the sign up button, and there you can add your username, your email address, then you guys will choose your password, verify the captcha, and click on the sign up button. And after this you can select the free plan, and after you, if you wanting, you can select the box, either you can skip this, and this will take a couple of seconds to redirect the home page. And this is yeah, here it is. So firstly you guys will verify your profile, so you can check your Gmail where you received your activation email. So you can see activate my account now, and after you can hover your username, click on settings, and after you can click on the edit your details, and there you can add your location. So we are living in Montonica. Our company is based from one way video interview software. So video software. Okay, and there you can add your website URL. So display is and the full detail of forth, and there you can add your website URL, and there you can add your biography, so about there. So there you can add your short description, so like Jobma is a AI powered virtual interviewing platform, so let me add this. And there you can add your interest, so there you can add AI powered virtual interviewing platform. So let me use mm, mm, digital interviewing platform. So let me utilize this keyword as well. And there you can add your Twitter username. So my Twitter username is a Jobma interview, and there you can add your Facebook username. Only you can add your username, not the whole URL. And Twitter, your Twitter name. So for tweets in profile will show icon in post, and there you can add your YouTube username if you have. And once you guys will complete all the things, after you can click on the save changes. And after if you wanting, so you can also update your avatar. So from there you can choose your file. So let me upload my profile picture, and after that you can click on the save changes. So dimensions limit, okay, so I guess the dimension are not match the edit profile picture. So let me, I guess there is the same edit options, edit folder, yeah. So we have completed our all the things to after you can click on the your profile, update profile, let me see, and this is your username. So you can click on this, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can click on the contact information, and this is your backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% no follow backlink. And if I can show you, so this is your biography, and this is your interest, and these are the social media. So now I can show you how you guys will create your thread backlink. So if you wanting to reply any of a thread, so you can simply select the thread, and there you can put your thought, and you can click on the reply button. Okay, and either if you can wanting to post a new thread, so you will see where is the option. Okay, I say I logged out. And after you can see there is a new post button, you can click on this, and simply from there you can post anything. There you can add your a thread title, and there you can add your thread description, and after you can post your thread. Why I cannot post any thread on this website, because this is relevant for the digital marketing, and we are providing recruitment services and software, so this is not relevant for this platform, so that's why I can ignore these things. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.